Welcome. I'm Debbie House, Editor-in-Chief of Retail Touchpoints, and I'm here with Brian Rouchet, who's the Retail Industry Lead for RSM. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
So let's get started. Let's talk about a little bit about what some of the challenges that retailers are facing as we're heading into the beginning of 2016.
Yeah, that's a great question. So, the thing is, as we all know, 2015 was the year of EMV. There was a lot of retail industry players that really kind of needed to comply with some government regulations that came around. And now retailers are taking a step back from that very tactical kind of project-oriented work and looking at their entire omni-channel suite. And a lot of them are facing industry challenges and headwinds that are making them kind of reevaluate everything from the ground up.
So we've heard a lot of talk over the last few years about cloud. Do you feel like most retailers are comfortable accessing most of their solutions from the cloud today?
Yeah, so I think that there was a time where there was a lot of retailers that were concerned about security and privacy of data, and in response, a lot of the software providers have went ahead and they've hardened things. I mean, they've hardened things to the point where they are compliant with the latest federal regulations, and we're able to store, data around the NSA up in the cloud. So now that the kind of shift has went away from security, they're able to evaluate cloud solutions more on a cost basis, where the cloud solutions have also become more affordable and amenable to being used.
All right, excellent. Another hot topic these days is the Internet of Things.
Right.
So what role is RSM and Microsoft playing in the development of technologies and implementing the Internet of Things?
Yeah, that's great. So when I think about the Internet of Things, we all need to understand that there's a number of different devices, such as beacon technology, mobile phones, devices on the sales floor, that all need to talk to a consolidated system. So that's really where the cloud comes into play. If you have your business systems up on the cloud, you're able to create promotions in those business systems and very easy and seamlessly push them down to those various devices that need to consume that data.
So all of our topics are kind of blending together.
Yeah.
Integrating as our solutions should be, right?
Correct.
So finally, just fill us in a little bit on the latest version of Microsoft Dynamics AX.
Yeah, so I think what's really interesting about what Microsoft in particular is doing around retail is they've evaluated these trends, and they understand that the Internet of Things, in conjunction with cloud computing, in conjunction with trying to optimize the customer experience, is only enabled if you stick the product and the business applications up in the cloud where that information can be consumed.
Okay, excellent. Thanks so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Great.
And thanks to all of you for joining us as well.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.